In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the West Elm Credit Card online portal through Capital One. If you've ever been curious about how to access your West Elm Credit Card account online, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring smooth navigation from start to finish. Let's begin our journey by pointing your web browser to the URL, westelm.capitalown.com. This is your gateway to the online portal for West Elm's co-branded credit card with Capital One. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official site. It's important for security reasons to avoid visiting any other links or websites. Once the web page loads, you'll see the login interface prominently displayed. Here, you'll need to enter your username and your password. These credentials are, of course, unique to you and were set up when you first registered for your West Elm credit card. It's critical to remember that both the username and password fields are case sensitive, so double check for any accidental capitalization or typos. After carefully entering your login details, take a deep breath and click on the Sign In button. If your credentials were entered correctly, this should seamlessly transition you to your account dashboard. However, it's not uncommon in our highly digitized world today to be prompted for an additional layer of security. Some users may be required to complete additional verification steps. This is a form of two-factor authentication, a method that helps enhance the security of your account. You might receive a code via SMS on your registered phone number or an email with the verification link. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, enter the code, or click the link, and you'll have access to your account without any hassle. If you encounter any issues during the login process, there's no need to panic. First, revisit your username and password, ensuring they're correct. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery options provided on the portal. And in persistent cases, don't hesitate to reach out to Capital One's customer support for additional assistance. In summary, accessing your West Elm credit card online portal is an easy process that enhances your ability to manage your account effectively. From checking statements to making payments, managing everything online has never been more convenient. Always remember to log out once you've completed your tasks to secure your personal information from unauthorized access. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on logging into your West Elm credit card account online. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides. Happy logging in, and enjoy your shopping and card management experience with West Elm and Capital One.